Hello, I'm Badini Ariyam. In this video, I'm going to talk about cash flow. How do you construct cash flow? The cash flow statement provides valuable information about the company such as gross income payments, and an insight about the future income as well. A cash flow statement has three sections for operating activities, investment activities, and financial activities. Most businesses prefer the direct method to prepare a cash flow statement because of the simplicity. The details of income and expenses are entered into an Excel spreadsheet, but in this day and age, the softwares are available to prepare the cash flow that comes along with the accounting package. I'm going to explain the manual method so that it helps you to understand more about cash flow in a better way. Cash inflows. Cash inflows is the lifeblood of your business. It comes from the payments from the customers, investment income, and the interest you receive on your investment, on your savings. Cash outflows. The cash received used to make payment. The cash you have received in cash inflows used to make payments to buy stocks, materials, wages, and other operational expenses. Any business prefers positive cash flow, which shows that business is running well, smoothly. When the business gets a higher positive cash flow, you could make the money in investments, or you can use the money to grow the business. You can employ more staffs to create more production and more sales as well. So that is the development side. You can use the money. If you have a negative cash flow, that means you are having more expenses higher than the income. So you got to make sure that you are reducing the expenses wherever is possible. Get yourself organized. Now, you know how you get your cash inflow as you earn, as you can add that in your list, in your spreadsheet. Then write down the list of possible expenses, add that also to the spreadsheet. But when you make assumptions in the expenses and income, you've got to be careful and be honest as well. Otherwise, you will lose the integrity of the business. And supposing you get investors, if they want to see the constructed cash flow, they will not believe you, and you will lose the integrity. Once you set up a cash flow statement in this way, do not ignore to keep following it up and review on a regular basis until you see the reality in the figures there. Otherwise, there is no point in. You have to make sure that you are doing the correct job. If the cash flow is not good enough, it will not help you in any way. You maintain the cash flow to find out the net cash. Net cash is not the profit, net cash, and whether your business is doing well. That's the importance of the cash flow. And also you can use different projects you might be having. You have to have cash flow for all the different projects. Then bring that into one, and then you can create a main cash flow. That's the way it works. So you also have to analyze the cash flow, and also the reasons. In order to avoid the failure of your business, you need to have cash flow, because you will not know the inflows and outflows of the cash. These are the reasons. Also, you have to make the cash flow. I hope you like these tips about cash flow, how to construct the cash flow. I'll visit my website. You will see that in more detail. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. If you like it, please share it as well. Thank you. Talk soon.